Hey guys, happy 4th of July week here. I normally don't post on major holidays, but I did want to post a POV of kayaking in La Jolla in case there are people who visit San Diego who want to see, is it worth it and what it's like. So I'm not going to tell you everything they tell you during these tours because that defeats the whole purpose of paying for the tours. But I will tell you that if you go to La Jolla, there's a lot of different places that you can choose to kayak. They're not that expensive, especially if you double up. And they last a few hours, so you'll learn about what's living underneath the water where you're kayaking. You'll learn about some of the caves there, some cool history with Prohibition, and just some La Jolla history in general. Depending on the tides, you may be able to go and explore some of the caves. Really, really recommend. Happy 4th, enjoy the video, and don't forget to take your camera, take some cool photos.